Hello friends, welcome to Study a Lot. So now we will discuss about what is saffron and recently a good news has come. Kashmir saffron received GI tag. So we will discuss about GI tag also. As you know, saffron is a spice. Basically, this is derived from a flower and you also taste saffron in some sweet dishes and some famous Kashmiri cuisine. So we will discuss about saffron and about GI tag. So if you did not subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe this channel for knowledgeable video and press the bell icon for notification. So let's begin. So first of all we will know about GI tag. So GI tag is a name or sign used on certain product which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin like town, region or country. So here is a question, what is the benefit if any product received a GI tag? So answer is, if a product received GI tag, then GI tag helps the producer to differentiate their products from competing product like in the market and in the export. It enables the producers to build a reputation and goodwill around their product, which often fetch a premium price. The product help in export, earning, promotion of tourism, cultural heritage and national identity. As you know, India is a member of World Trade Organization and there is a act which define GI tag, and the name of act is Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999, and this act come force with effect from 15 September 2003. GI have been defined under Article 22(1) of the WTO Agreement on Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights Agreement. TRIPS, it is the short form, Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Right. So now we will know what is the saffron. Saffron is a spice derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, commonly known as the saffron crocus. The vivid crimson stigma and style called threads are collected and dried for use mainly as a seasoning and coloring agent in the food. It rejuvenates health and is used in cosmetics and for medicinal purpose. Here is a question, what is the stigma and style? So for understand, here is a picture. This is a saffron flower and this is the parts of stigma and style. This is the red colors which like a threads. This is the stigma and style. The upper parts, this is stigma, and the lower part, this is a long like a thread, that is called style. So that is actual saffron. Saffron has long been the world's most costly spice by the weight, although some doubts remain on its origin. It is believed that saffron originated in the Iran. However, Greece and Mesopotamia have also been suggested as the possible region of origin of this plant. Now we will discuss about the Kashmir saffron. Saffron cultivation is believed to have been introduced in Kashmir by Central Asian immigrants around 1st century before Christ. In ancient Sanskrit literature, saffron is referred to a bahukam. The Kashmir saffron is the only saffron in the world that is grown at an altitude of 1600 meters. Kashmir saffron is a world-renowned spice and is grown in region of Pulwama, Kishtwar, Padgam and Srinagar. So what is the special quality in the Kashmir saffron that it received the GI tag? So the main quality of Kashmir saffron cultivate in Kashmir is long, thick and has natural deep red color. Also it has high aroma and is processed without adding any chemical. The color of the saffron is unique due to the high quantity of crocin. It has a rich flavor because of saffronal and the bitterness is due to the presence of picrocrocin. Here is the some type of saffron which is cultivated in Kashmir. So first is Lacha saffron that is simply separated from the flower and dried without processing. Second is Mongra saffron that is detached from the flower, dried and processed traditionally. Third is Gushi saffron that is dried and packed loosely in air-tight container, joined together in a bundle with a red thread. The application was filed by the Directorate of Agriculture, Government of Jammu and Kashmir and facilitated by Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture Sciences and Technology Kashmir and Saffron Research Station which is located Tushu Pampore. The saffron cultivated in the Kashmir Valley has received geographical indication tag after the initiate taken by three bodies. And now we'll discuss about the position of saffron in the world. Iran ranked first and India ranked as the second largest producer of saffron. But as a saffron exporter, India is ranked 12th among global saffron exporter. But Iran in the producer and in exporter has ranked first. Iran produces more than 19% of the world saffron and accounts for 70% of global export. A number of prestigious re-exporters such as Spain, France and Italy add value to Iranian bulk import and resell the saffron at a higher price. Here is some fact about GI tag that Darjeeling tea became the first GI tagged product in India in 2004 and 2005. Recently, in year 2020, Khola chili in the is the first agriculture product from Goa to acquire GI tag. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly share it and meet you again in the new video with new topic.